Hello, I'm Dr. Aarti Deendayal from Mamta Fertility Hospital. I'm a gynecologist and fertility specialist. And today we are going to discuss about when you go through an IVF cycle and you fail an IVF cycle, or if you do get pregnant but then the pregnancy does not continue to grow in a healthy way and you miscarry. How do you deal with this situation? First and foremost, I want to reassure you that feeling sad, feeling depressed, feeling full of anger, feeling lost are very, very normal emotions you go through when you fail IVF. And we as doctors understand that you are going to be feeling this way. Secondly, this is one of the reasons why before you go through an IVF cycle, we understand your case in detail, understand what are the challenges in your case, set some realistic expectations of what may the pregnancy rate be if we do an IVF cycle, because we know that IVF has a pregnancy rate depending on several factors: the woman's age, what is the medical history, what is the past treatment history they have taken, what is the previous treatment cycles they've undergone, what was the outcome of the cycle. So there are many factors which determine the success rate of an IVF cycle, and all this is understood, discussed in detail before we go through an IVF cycle. And so if we are more prepared before an IVF cycle, you tend to feel less stressed. So, firstly, yes, you are going to feel stressed, but secondly, we know that IVF can fail and it is okay to go through these emotions. Take your time and settle down, and it is very, very important that you cope with this grief and this sadness which you're going to be going through. You need to have a support system. You don't always have to behave and act strong. It's okay to take the support of your loved ones. Your partner may be your support system, it may be your friends who you can talk to, your family members who understand you, who you can talk to. But just talking to someone and letting those emotions out itself is going to heal you a little bit, if not completely. Secondly, you need to discuss with your doctor about what may be the reasons why your IVF failed. There can be many, many reasons, right from a poor egg quality, a poor sperm quality, it can be a poor embryo quality, there can be an endometrial or a uterine problem. There are so many things which may have, been the reason why the IVF failed. And this you should be listening to from your IVF specialist, because they will then tell you what is the next step forward. If you have some embryos in the freeze, at least you know that you still have another chance. If you are going to be going ahead and taking another IVF cycle, your doctor will discuss with you what is her game plan in terms of, is there any protocol change she's planning, if there is some lifestyle change which she needs you to inculcate before going in for another IVF cycle. She will advise you the same. She'll give you some time maybe to improve your lifestyle, to improve your your food habits, your normalize your weight, decrease your stress, manage your stress better, get into a more positive frame of mind before going through another IVF cycle. So it's very, very important to understand the reasons for failure, to improve your chances by maybe improving your lifestyle. 3, your doctor may advise a few more tests, maybe which have not been done before because it was not indicated, but now because it has failed, she may advise you to go ahead and do a few more tests so that we can further understand any particular reason for failure and we can further improve your chances of pregnancy in the next cycle. And 4, always, always be patient, be strong, Do not give up, because there are so many thousands of patients out there who have not given up after failing one IVF cycle and have just tried once more, not given up, and they have succeeded eventually. So remember, IVF doesn't always have to work in one cycle, and sometimes, depending on the case, depending on the situation, you may require a few more attempts of IVF before you get pregnant and have your healthy baby.